Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, obviously, clean it up, shape it up a little bit with my shears. I always like to go back over the style once it's dry. I don't like to completely finish the cut when it's wet because I was taught to cut wet, but we just clean it up a little bit before we start curling, and that's what it is. So right here, I'm just going to add a few curls. Eventually, they will fall just to the way she wants them, but she asked me to put some curls in it and so it can last her longer. So guys, just pay attention. I'm using my flat iron that I received from Wow Angel, free of cost. Thank you, Wow Angel. And we're just going to style her up. But if you guys look, I have the beginner friendly videos that you guys can learn how to do this. I have plenty of videos on my channel where you can learn how to do a closure quick weave pixie cut. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I don't know how much more I'm going to talk throughout it, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to handle it for you. All right, I will be doing, so I don't know if you guys want to see the traveling situation or whatever that is, but I'll keep that for another channel of mine that I started up. So I'll be linking my new channel in the description box for my traveling and my out of the country tutorials and how-tos and events and all of that family stuff that's going to be going on out of the country. I will let you guys guess what part of the country I'm going to. So you can leave that in the comment section. And if you guess right, there's a prize for you. I won't reveal that now, but guess what country I'm going to?